Hello students, today we are going to discuss your worksheet number 70, class 9th for the date 21st December. So as your chapter work energy is going on, today we'll discuss about the power. How do we know which of the objects have done more work or consumed more energy? So this comparison can be done by knowing the amount of work done by the object in specific amount of time. This is given by another physical quantity known as power. So power of an object is defined as the rate of energy consumption or rate of work done. कितना समय में कितना कार्य हुआ है उससे हम इसको निकालते हैं. So power, if an agent does work W in time t, then the power is given by P is equal to W upon T, and the unit of power, that is unit of work done, is joule and time is second. So it is SI unit is watt, W, capital W. You can write average power, total work done or total energy consumed upon total time taken. 1 watt can be defined at 1 joule of energy is consumed in 1 second by an appliance, then its power is said to be 1 watt. Higher units we measure in kilowatt, that is 1000 watts, or megawatts, that is 10 raised to power 6, or giga, that is 10 raised to power 9. Example, a body does 20 joule of work in 5 seconds, then what is power? We have given been W T, then P upon T, that is 20 upon 5, that is 4 watt. A boy of mass 50 kg runs up a stairs of 45 steps in 9 seconds. If the height of the each step is 15, find its power. Take G 10. So weight of the body you have to find out. Weight is 50 into 10, that is 500 Newton. Height is 45 into 15 upon 100, 675. Time to climb is 9. So mgh upon T, we have taken the potential energy upon time. It will be coming out to be 375 watts. Question answers. Before that, commercial unit of energy which we use in our homes, the larger quantity of energy is consumed in bigger unit, that is known as kilowatt hour, and this kilowatt hour is 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. Define power. What is its unit? The rate of change of consumption of or rate of work done. SI unit is watt. Define 1 watt. If 1 joule of energy is consumed in 1 second by an appliance, then its power is said to be 1 watt. What is the commercial unit of energy? How many joules energy is present in 1 unit? So its kilowatt hour is the commercial unit. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt into 3600 seconds. So it's 36 lakh, or you can say 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joules. A certain household has consumed 250 units of energy during a month. How much energy is this in joules? 250 units means 250 kilowatt hour. You can multiply it by 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6. It comes out to be 900 into 10 raised to power 6. Okay, joules. A lamp consumed is 1000 joules of electrical energy in 10 seconds. What is power? So 1000 upon 10, it is 100 watt. So hope you like the worksheets. Thanks for watching.